Now, how do you get a Snapchat notifications on your Apple Watch? Let's get started. So, in order to do that and receive your snaps and at least be notified about them on your watch, you will need to ensure that you have the Apple Watch Snapchat app installed. So it is not, it's kind of a new thing basically that there is an Apple Watch app. It didn't used to be the case, but if you check out the App Store, you can see all of the platforms, including the Apple Watch. So ensure you update the Snapchat app as well as your iOS and watchOS update to ensure that there is the support for it. And when you do install it and update it, check out the Watch application and ensure that Snapchat is installed right there on your wrist. If not, click on install at the bottom and the app should be added to your watch, right? So that's how it works. Using this application, you will have access to notifications, as you can see in the preview right there. So you'll be able to directly see the received Snapchat and you'll be able to reply to that as well. What you'll probably not be able to do is to view the actual photos sent over Snap. You won't be able to do it directly on the wrist. And of course, you don't have the ability to take a picture with your Snapchat on the Apple Watch. Obviously, there is no camera or anything. So, this is what you can do, and this is how it works. So, let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it, to install it successfully. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later in the future.